In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report as a PDF or CSV and save it to your device. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get a clean copy of your data for sharing, printing, or further analysis. First, head to the Reports area. You'll find it in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking Reports opens a library of available reports. From here, choose the specific report you want to export. A common example is the Profit and Loss report, but you can select any report that fits your needs, such as a balance sheet or a sales summary. Once the report opens, set your date range using the filters at the top. You can pick a preset period like this month, last month, or year to date, or you can enter custom start and end dates if you're focusing on a specific time frame. Taking a moment to confirm the date range ensures the numbers you export match the period you actually want to review or share. Next, apply your filters by running the report. Some systems refresh automatically as soon as you change the dates, while others require a click on Run Report or Update. If you see that button, go ahead and click it. Waiting for the report to refresh is important so that the exported file reflects your latest selections. When your report looks right, go to the top right corner and click Export. You'll be prompted to choose your format. Pick PDF if you want a fixed presentation-ready file that preserves the layout and is easy to print or send as is. Choose CSV if you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet, create charts, pivot tables, or combine it with other datasets. CSV is ideal for analysis and can be opened by most spreadsheet apps. After you choose PDF or CSV, your file begins downloading. Depending on your browser or device settings, it may save automatically to your Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. Either way, keep track of where it's saved so you can find it quickly later. If you see a quick notification that the download is complete, that's your confirmation. And that's it. You clicked Reports, chose your report, set the date range, ran the report, exported it, selected the format, and downloaded the file. Your report is now saved on your device and ready to use. If you ever need to repeat the process, the same steps apply, and you'll be able to export any report just as smoothly.